Bruges is a real-life fairy tale, and for the next 2 days, we're exploring its picture-perfect canals, medieval architecture and history, and of course, all of the delicious Belgian delicacies. Oh my god. I didn't think this could exist in the world.
That was even better than I expected.
The smell of waffles and chocolate is wafting through the air. You have to come here! After seeing a single photo of Bruges online, it quickly moved to the top of our list, and we can't wait to finally see it for ourselves. It's happening!
We're here, and it's adorable. I was wondering if it would, and it does remind me of Venice, which I love. I love Venice too.
This is what dreams are made of. Hey, hey!
Lizzie McGuire in Bruges Belgium?
Lizzie McGuire can go anywhere she wants. The swans! The swans! Oh my god.
Swans are huge.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the coolest.
Thank you for your very enthusiastic greeting.
Look at it! I think that all along a little part of me thought that this city was fake.
Really?
And it's not. It's very real. It's crazy.
It's even more adorable in person than the few pictures I saw online.
All we've done so far, we literally got out of a bus right there and we walked here.
We like ran around in a circle here. And looked all the different directions.
We have to go check into our hostel. So this is also our first time ever staying in hostel bunk beds, so wish us luck. We'll talk a little more about that later. It's dinner time! We showed up at this restaurant with no reservation like the silly geese that we are, but luckily they were able to squeeze us in. We ordered moule frites.
That smells so good.
The national dish of Belgium, which just translates to mussels and fries. These ones are in a garlic cream sauce and they were freaking delicious. We also tried a cozy Flemish beef stew, another regional specialty. Oh my god, I'm so excited to eat this! That's just a really good beef stew.
That was so delicious. I've been so excited for Belgian food, and that was even better than I expected it to
Yeah, that
be.
was amazing.
So good.
And now we were planning on going and exploring town, but we're apparently getting pretty old because we're ready for bed.
I know the sun is out, but it is 9:30, so don't judge us too hard.
Travel days just wipe us out. It's not our
They do.
fault.
They're so exhausting.
We're gonna put our old butts in bed. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Good morning, everybody. Right now we're heading to a canal boat tour. There will be swans and we'll get to see the city from the water and also learn a little bit of history about it. So it should be really cool. This is like the #1 thing to do in Bruges.
And we get a little redemptive gondola ride after our kind of failed attempt in Venice last year. So this will be fun.
Yeah, this should be better.
Dames en heren, goedemorgen, welkom aan boord. Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning, welcome aan boord.
That was such a fun little boat ride. It was so beautiful.
This city is 100% fairy tale vibes. I didn't think this could exist in the world. I didn't even know Bruges like existed for the longest time, and as soon as I saw like one picture of it, I was like, I have to go there.
There are cobblestone streets everywhere. It's just like medieval architecture. I didn't even know that still existed. So well preserved. Anywhere. It's so cute.
It's kind of all over Europe.
Well, we've barely been to Europe, so it's still blowing my mind. We don't have any medieval architecture in the United States.
And
so.
it's crazy because like we just came from Paris, which was a 4-hour bus ride away, and Paris was so beautiful, but in a completely different way.
Yeah.
This is so quaint. It feels like
a tiny little medieval village.
yeah.
And we haven't even gotten to all the delicious food here yet. I think we need a waffle.
That was the other reason we came here. 1, I saw a picture. 2, I learned about the food.
Oh my
and
gosh, Belgian
then it
food.
was over. First, I need to find a coffee. Delicious cappuccino, delicious chai latte, and they were so nice in there. Definitely go to that place.
Belgian pigeon.
Belgian pigeon check. We're walking towards the town square now, and the smell of waffles and chocolate is wafting through the air.
It smells so good. That's the second time you've used the word waft today.
Yes.
The first time was not about something smelling good.
Waft.
In our hostel.
Waft.
Waft. That's so funny.
This store is making me really excited for Christmas markets.
Yeah.
Wink, wink. I can't wink.
Good job. We're about to try Belgian waffles for the first time, and I'm so excited. We got a Belgian waffle with dark chocolate, strawberries, and whipped cream topping. Oh my gosh, that chocolate smells so rich. How do I eat this?
I don't know. You're just gonna shovel it in.
It won't slide. I think I'm supposed to use the fork. I'm gonna go that route.
Yeah, that's probably why it's in there.
That's probably why. Just broke the fork. It's a sturdy waffle.
That's what she said.
Waffle? Okay. Oh my god. Chocolate heaven. Wow, that's really good. I haven't gotten much whipped cream yet, but just the waffle and the dark chocolate together. Oh my. You need to have this.
Oh, that face. Oh my god. Oh my god. I honestly did not expect it to be that good. The Belgian chocolate is top tier. I really couldn't tell you much about the texture of the waffle because it's completely covered in whipped cream and chocolate sauce, but it tastes amazing.
It's big and fluffy. That's what I like.
All right, weirdo. Very Gucci.
We just made it to Market Square, the main square in town with this giant belfry tower. And it's just so cool to be surrounded by all these medieval looking old buildings, and now it's raining.
It's raining. Run, quick, run.
Anyways,
There's literally been so many days in the past 2 weeks that I've been like, oh my god, I can't believe this is my life right now. And this is one of them.
we've been so excited to explore Europe more. This is only our 4th country in Europe ever that we
Yes,
visited,
yeah.
which is so cool.
This city is actually what brought us back. It
It
wasn't
is.
even Paris or anything else. We saw Bruges and we were like,
We need
let's
to come
do
here.
it.
Yeah, for the food,
Man.
for the city. Ugh.
You have to come here. This is definitely one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. And I feel like people are gonna stop believing me if I say that too many times.
But maybe it's true.
But it just is, okay? It just is.
It just is, and that's okay.
So fries are one of my favorite foods, and it's largely debated where they're actually from, since they're called French fries. It's largely believed that they're actually Belgian fries, and there are a lot of them here. We got 2 sauces. The orange guy is called Andalous sauce. It's a Belgian sauce. The other one is a garlic mayo. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. That's a good garlic mayo. Oh, that is garlicky.
I don't think this other sauce is for me.
No, but let me give her a try.
Oh, garlic mayo all the way. Oh, the garlic mayo is so good.
Yeah, that one, I don't dislike it. It's kind of like a sweet sauce. The French fries themselves are just the Belgian fries. I said that a little too loud in here. The fries themselves are good. Kind of like a standard crispy fry. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside.
They go so good with this mayo though. Oh my god. We just went back to our hostel for a little snuggle and yes theory break. Since this is our first time staying in a hostel, we thought we'd just kind of share our experience and why we're doing it. Basically, last year we were way too focused on work. We never really had much time for ourselves, much less time to socialize. And by the end of the year, it had gotten kind of lonely. So we're trying to make a much bigger effort this year to do some socializing. And whenever I Google how to meet people while traveling, literally everything just says stay in a hostel. Coupled with the fact that Europe is expensive, it helps our budget a tiny bit to stay in some hostels while we're here. Hannah, how's your first night experience?
I feel like it was about what I expected. We both didn't sleep great. Poor Jill barely slept at all.
I didn't sleep at all.
And surprisingly, it wasn't because of other people and stuff. It was just because it was so hot in there for some reason. But otherwise, it's been pretty chill. We
Yeah.
haven't really talked to anybody.
All we've done
yet.
so far is sleep and shower, and
Right.
nobody talks in the room because people are in there sleeping.
So
So
it's kinda
we
hush-hush
can't really
in there.
report on meeting anybody yet, but it's been all right.
I'm still very hopeful that we will actually meet some people.
I will say the one thing that I really miss as a couple is that we can't just like let loose and be ourselves in our own personal space. We have to be quiet. I'm used to being weird and being loud.
Yeah, we're big old weirdos when we're alone.
Anyway, hope that wasn't too boring. We're gonna go explore more of Edinburgh. Spoiler alert.
We're not there yet.
We're not in Edinburgh. More of Bruges now. The cheapest dinner I could find in Bruges, a lamb Durham. We just came back to the city hall where we were at earlier today, and there was like hundreds of people out here, and now it looks like this. And this is the main town square, which had hundreds of people earlier. Crazy. The reason we pulled ourselves back out of bed tonight is because we've learned in our travels that every city has a very different vibe at night, and we just want to see this place after dark when some of the monuments light up. There's hardly any people here. I think it's going to be really, really pretty. We were going to get some hot chocolate, but the unfortunate thing about no people is that everything is closed, so we're just going to sit here and wait for it to light up.
Cool.
And eat this giant ass wrap thing.
It's pretty tasty.
It's pretty good.
I'm enjoying it. Okay, it's way too cold just sitting on the bench while we're waiting for the sun to go down, so we're gonna walk around a bit.
Oh. Would you like me to perform it again?
Yes, please. She had a great joke.
Hang on, there's people.
Too embarrassing. Okay, you're good now.
It's called Bruges because you say brr when you go there.
I love Bruges. I would totally live here. And it looks even cooler at night. It just feels more medieval and dark. It's just so cool here.
And we have some really fun things planned for tomorrow, so we'll see you guys then. Good night. Good morning. Hostel update, I slept last night and
too.
I spoke to my bunkmate today, so slow but steady progress.
I talked to somebody in the bathroom last night. We're
Nice.
doing good. We're
Killing
doing good.
it. Killing it. That's how lifelong friendships are built.
That's right.
Pleasantries in the bathroom. It is time for a fun day of torture, but first, coffee. Coffee acquired. Torture time. Torture time. Torture time.
She was chanting this in the bathroom this morning, even before coffee.
We are heading to the Museum of Medieval Torture. We just saw a guy riding his bike through the middle of the road, no hands, in the middle of all these people, absolutely digging for gold in his nose while riding his bike.
Just a typical morning commute.
Yes. Oh my god.
Time to learn wonderful things that I can't unlearn.
Even the entrance is cool. So this museum is in the oldest stone building in Bruges, and it was used as a prison. Apparently we're in the actual place where people got tortured, which makes this even more real. Should be fun!
Why they got Emperor Palpatine in here?
Well, that was very interesting. I don't think I can show 99% of what we saw without... Why did I have an accent? Without. The accents are coming out without getting demonetized or getting the video taken down. But yeah, they were very creative back in the day.
You mean cruel?
It's so weird that society existed in that manner for like thousands of years.
It makes me very grateful that I live now.
Yeah, same.
I knew I wasn't gonna like that.
I didn't know you weren't
but
gonna like it. You never said anything.
But I had to tap out after reading just the first little exhibit about impalement. I had to tap out after that. It was too much. I'm too sensitive for that.
She didn't look at anything else in the whole museum, but
No.
she stayed and waited with me.
I just looked at my phone
Because I was excited about it.
Too much for me.
If you're sensitive to that kind of thing, don't go there. They had like wax figures of humans placed into a lot of the torture devices, so it actually made it look even more realistic of exactly what it would have looked like back then. But anyway, now we will detox with, I don't know, chocolate or waffles or...
Anything chocolate related, whether it's waffles with chocolate on them or just straight up chocolate. Either way is good with me.
Okay. Thank you for going with me. I didn't know that you
I didn't
were
either.
dreading it so much.
I wasn't dreading. I thought I'd be okay, but
She's a sensitive being.
I am. I can barely watch Game of Thrones, so.
There's some stuff in there that I recognize from Game of Thrones.
Yeah.
On to some chocolate, perhaps? Yes, let's do it.
It smells so chocolatey.
Oh, it does.
It does smell like straight up cocoa powder.
Yummy.
This chocolate shop is supposedly the best chocolate shop here in Bruges, maybe in the world, so we've been told. They apparently make chocolate for Michelin star restaurants, so pretty schmancy.
We're gonna go buy more than we should.
Yes, we are.
Big unboxing.
We got 8 pieces of chocolate. I'm probably gonna want to eat them all right now.
Yeah, why not?
I mean, look how fancy this looks. You ready for the reveal?
Oh, the gingerbread's so
He's so cute, yeah. First, little gingerbread man's calling to me. It's kind of crispy inside. There's like little things in there. Oh my gosh. That tastes just like gingerbread.
Okay. This guy is a ganache from Peru with espresso. Oh, wow.
That's the face you make when you really love the taste of the food you're eating.
So far, both of them have been like soft in the middle, and that like elevates it so much more because it's not like crunchy chocolate. It's like crispness on the outside, and then on the inside, it just melts in your mouth. Inspired by our time in Paris, where I had the best creme brulee in the world. This place is crazy. I'm normally not like the biggest candy eater, but if candy was like this, I would eat a lot more of it. It was really crisp on the outside, just like creme brulee, and really soft on the inside.
Ooh. Okay. This one is raspberry. Chocolate and fruit belong together. Whoa. Half of it inside is just raspberry jam. The raspberry flavor is so strong.
Dark chocolate hazelnut. Oh yeah.
Oh, I keep forgetting to let you try it. It's okay. You don't have to.
You gotta show that guy. He's really
I know.
pretty.
This one is really, really pretty. Whoa.
Oh, it's so pretty on the inside
Whoa.
too.
There's like matcha gel inside. This one is gorgeous. It tastes like white chocolate and matcha. Good matcha.
I'm detecting a theme, and it's chocolate from places I've recently traveled to.
Oh yeah.
That is like a great standard chocolate. What surprised me about all of them is that every single one is soft in the middle, and that's actually what makes them so great.
Luxury chocolate. Oh, there's only one left. That's so sad. Oh, I love the smell and taste of coffee. She's silky smooth inside.
Wow.
That sounded really...
I've never received that kind of praise.
Yeah, you have. I will cut that out. Who's your favorite?
The chocolate espresso. Honorable
really
mention to
good.
the creme brulee.
Gingerbread. If I went and got like
Gingerbread
one more to eat again, it would be gingerbread. How do I get them to refill my box for free?
Yeah, they do free refills here.
Okay, I'll just take the box up to the counter.
Yeah, just take it up. Let's get out of here.
Yep. It has been really rainy today, which makes us realize we got really lucky yesterday with sunshine, and I'm so glad we got to explore without all the rain, because it makes it a little harder to film today.
Makes it a lot harder to film.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's a wrap.
Bruges, I love your medieval charm, but I'm glad you don't have the medieval lifestyle here anymore.
Big facts.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a beautiful place, but I don't need to tell you that because what?
I was making a really stupid face. I'll keep going.
Thanks for watching, y'all, and stay wiggity. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of.
Little jiggle jiggle.
They did not make her look good. FAIRYTALE searching. Wow, this is just a great rant. I'm so good with words after crawling out of bed.
Your brain is sleepy.
My brain is sleepy.
Take it in. Take it all in.